Hey, Mac out here in Citrus Heights, California, doing a front yard driveway, widening the driveway so there's a larger area to walk up to the front door. We're doing some concrete on the side yards and also a new patio with drainage in the back. I want to show you the drainage, some of the unique challenges sometimes that we face, and how we handle that. Let's go take a look. So a lot of concrete gets taken away, as well as plants and other debris, bricks, etc. Now this house had a sidewalk that went along here and then some plants as a buffer between the driveway. Now it's going to be a much wider driveway, easier to park the two cars in it. Now the rebar that we use throughout our concrete pours, 24 inches on center, tied together. This is the skeleton of the concrete. Actually helps prevent lifting and settling. Cracks are reduced with using this, and we use it on even walkways like here on the side of the house. Now along the back of the house, here's some drainage I want to show you. 4-inch wide steel deco drains. Now this house has had a challenge with water pooling there all the time. Now we're going to have a deco drain, so that water that comes off that hillside will drain out to the street. Now here on the side of the house, there's a drain, and we're also tying in a downspout. We're really managing what happens when water flows here so it won't puddle. And lastly, this drain here on the part of the sidewalk connects to that box and then goes all the way to the sidewalk. And the sewer clean out is now going to be in the driveway. Of course, this is going to be flush with the concrete. Okay, 2 days of prepping and 1 day of pouring. The job's done. Let's go take a look. Now this driveway features our reliable signature surface. It's rock salt finish in the body and broom borders around the edges. Looks beautiful. Now this is still curing, as you saw the yellow tape that went around the driveway. But over the next few days, that color is going to change pretty dramatically until the final product looks wonderful. Isn't that beautiful? Now this is before we started, and now a new wider driveway. From our family to yours, have a reliable day.